Hello children, how are you? Hope you are all good. So in our last class, we were dealing about the topic climate of India. So far we have discussed about weather, climate, differences between weather and climate, the concept of climographs and the uses of climographs, and the factors that affects the climate. And among the factors we have discussed about latitude and the land-water relationship. We have two more factors that affect the climate of India. The factors that affect the climate are also known as climatic controls. So the another important factor that affect the climate of India is relief. Okay, and another factor, last factor is upper atmospheric circulation. So we'll just get to know about relief. What is relief and how does this affect the climate of India? So children, when I ask you how the climate of Himalayas would be, then what would you say? You say, ma'am, Himalayas, they are covered with snow. Obviously they will be cool. The temperature is very low there. Okay. And if I ask you the southern part, it will be definitely hot since it have coastal areas. So relief, if we discuss about altitude, here what happens is, for every 1000 meters, as we go to the higher elevation, okay, as we go higher, as we go up, what happens is, as we go up in the atmosphere, what happens is temperature decreases. For every 1000 meters, what happens, temperature falls by 6 degrees centigrade. Okay, for every 1000 meters temperature reduces by 6 degrees. That is only in the troposphere, only in the layer of troposphere, that is troposphere, one of the layers of atmosphere. Only in the troposphere what happens is, as we go to the higher elevations, temperature decreases. How much? For every 1000 meters temperature falls by 6 degrees. So that is the region. Okay, many of the hill stations, okay, Darjeeling, Nainital, Ooty, Shimla, all these places are very cooler. Okay, even in summer also, Ooty, which is also known as Udakamandalam, okay, and Ooty, Darjeeling, Shimla, all these places are, Nainital, all these places are cooler because they are located on the higher altitude. When you compare with Telangana, these are located on higher altitude. Okay, these are hill stations, they are located on hills, they are located on higher altitude. That's why what happens is, the temperature there is automatically it is cooler. As I told you already, as we go to the higher elevation, temperature falls. So these places like Shimla, Ooty, Darjeeling, Nainital, they are located on higher elevation. So obviously what happens is, as we go to the higher elevation, temperature falls. So the temperature remains cool in these hill stations, though in summer. When you compare these places with the coastal areas, it will be very cooler, and the coastal areas will be hot when you compare both these places. Okay, this just because of relief feature, that is altitude. Okay, they are located on higher altitudes. Okay, that's why they are cooler. So they also affect the climate. And next factor is upper atmospheric circulation. What is upper atmospheric circulation? India lies in the dry northeast trade wind zone. Okay, dry northeast trade winds. India lies in the dry northeast trade winds. What are trade winds? The trade is derived from a German word which means track. The meaning of trade is track, which means they blow steadily in one direction. Okay, they blow steadily. That's why the meaning of this trade is track. It is derived from a German word. Now, northeast trade winds means from north to along the east, they get to blow in this direction. See, like this they get to blow. And air currents are also a reason for the climate changes. How? At 25 degrees north, okay, we have an easterly jet stream. At 25 degrees north latitude, easterly jet stream forms. happens because of this easterly jet stream? Okay, the surrounding atmosphere cools down. These easterly jet streams causes its surrounding atmosphere to cool down, and once they gets cooled down, it rains. Okay, they cause rains. These easterly jet streams cause rains in India. Because of these easterly jet streams, what happens is surrounding atmosphere becomes cool and it starts raining. So they also affect the climate of India in one way. Upper atmospheric circulation. India lies in the dry northeast trade wind zone. They means flowing from these winds from north to in the east direction. They get flow like this. These trade winds come in this direction. Okay. Northeast trade winds. And because of the easterly jet stream, the atmosphere gets colder and starts raining. These are the factors that affect climate. So children, what are the factors affecting climate? First one is latitude or distance from equator. Second one is land-water relationship. Third one is relief. Fourth one is upper atmospheric circulation. Okay, these are about the factors. Thank you.